Hello, girls and boys. So yeah, welcome to the end of our class, speaking class, and I do really sit for this last meeting, and yeah, but guys, there is a meeting. It means that there is a separation. So hopefully that we can meet again in your graduations. Okay. So yeah, because it's the last class, the last meeting for us. I just want to give you a brief, you know, um,
What?
small talk maybe, or we can share each other, okay, our thoughts. I, I mean, this class is gonna be sharing, okay, sharing class, okay, and yeah, speaking English can be challenging for us. I do believe that because sometimes we know the grammar, we know the vocabulary, but we don't know how to speak, or maybe we can speak, but we don't know how to. What is the correct grammar? What is the vocabulary? And of course, we have our own challenging in speaking English in English, right? And yeah, but when it comes to speaking, it feels more harder than others aspect. Do you think why it's hard for me to speak? Well, actually, there are common reasons. Suppose why we can't speak, why it's hard for us to speak, why it's hard for us to doing speaking with others people. Okay. So the first one is limited vocabulary. By having a limited vocabulary, of course, we think about, oh my gosh, what is this vocabulary? And yeah, we just can't stop because we don't know this vocabulary, and then we stop to talk in English. And guys, my suggestion for you when you don't know your vocabulary, you have to directly look up your dictionaries, or maybe you can. You have your mobile phone, right? And I do believe that as English literature students, your you have known several online dictionaries, right? Like Merriam or Oxford, and you can too use Google Translate. So whenever is stuck on your vocabulary, please guys directly open your dictionary, okay? And for the second reason is fear of making mistakes. Okay, actually this is common. Yeah, it's common. Everyone makes mistake, so never afraid. I mean, when we afraid of making mistakes, means that I don't know how to say these sections, because fear of making mistake, it comes from our self. Actually, all things that you have to do is do not ever make mistakes, because everyone makes mistakes, and I make mistake, you make mistake, and yeah, everyone makes mistake. Yeah, I'm afraid of making mistakes, and by making mistake, you can learn from your mistake and to get to be better person, to be better speakers like that. You're never afraid. So yeah, just go on. And then the last one is lack of practice. Hmm. This is, I think, this is the main problem, because we are as Indonesians, which our first language is Indonesia, or maybe our mother tongue, right? So English here is a foreign language, which means it's really hard for us to practice our English because it's not our daily use, right? So it's hard. However, when we try to practice, it's hard, guys, because we don't know how will I practice, with who will I practice, or anything else. However, even we are as the students of English literature, I do believe that you're not having conversation out of the class with English, right? Of course, you use your mother tongue or Indonesians, conversations, not in English, even you are in English literature students. And yeah, that's become a really big reason. I mean, the main reason of this why we hard to speak in English like that. It's because of lack of practice. And yeah, guys. Well, me as a lecturer. Well, me as a lecturer.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Biarin. Kenapa biarin? Jangan dipisahin.
I have several applications maybe that can help you in practicing your English. Actually, there are a lot of things like Elsa, and then Duolingo, and there are many. Later, if you interest, just text me. Later, I'll give you the recommendations. But one application that really helped me in practicing English, which is Fondi. Yeah, right. Fondi is an application that you can speak English. It's, you know, in Fondi we don't need to show our face. We just, it's just a cartoon, which it's animasi. Sorry. Well, guys, in Fondi it's an animations which we don't appear as humans but as an animations, so we can go to another place, another space like that in that kind of funny applications. And also we can meet a lot of people there, a lot of people that comes from the huge world. I think every country's in it, so you can practice your English. I mean, these applications is supposed to learning English for us. So whoever comes to the applications, use applications, and then we meet in the animations, we talk English. Even it's from Bangladesh, it's from Prancis, it's from anything else, guys. We speak in English, and then it's just random though. I mean, like random conversations, Like this one, it's really helpful for you all guys, because I have been using this since I was fourth semester. So it's really enjoyable for me to use these applications. I really like, so I really recommend to you these applications. And here is the tutorial. First one is you have to sign up using your email account, and then for the next one you have to answer these questions in order to help Fondi to know what is your interest, so that they can find you friends that related to your interest. And yeah, just wait a minute and you can decide what you want to look like, your animations, and give with name. And then you can go through all, you can make conversations with a random person. And yeah, I think that this gonna be hurt, but the fact that it's not be hurt by eyes, so sorry, but I talk a lot with them because they are really good. So I think it's really good for you to practice your English without showing your face. Yeah, I really recommend these applications, guys. It's Fondi, okay? Don't forget to download. To practice your English, you never try to making mistakes to speak in English, okay? Here, guys, we have come to the end of our class. Is there any question from you guys? If you have any questions, you can write down below. And if you ask for recommendations of applications that help you to improve your vocabulary or speaking or grammar, just text me, okay? I'm gonna give you the whole applications that I use, okay? So you guys, let's pray together for your final exam. I hope that you all guys have the best score and you can go through it all easily. And please be spirit on doing your taxes, okay? And see you on your next graduations. Bye.
Wow.